Hey everyone, this is Ashish from Desi Cycle bringing you the full review of Triad X4, also known as Volt Track 4, and is sold on Amazon for 16,299 rupees and on Flipkart for 15,000 rupees. I've done about 200 odd kilometers with this, and this is my complete review of it. I hope you like it. Before we begin with the review, here is a screenshot of the full specification of the cycle. You can pause the video now and take a look at them in detail, and then we can proceed with the review. The first thing that I'd like to talk about is the ride quality. The ride quality on this cycle is amazing. I've not had any issues on any sort of roads. At the end of the video, I've attached the images of the most horrible roads that I've ridden on. When you see the later sections of the video, you'll see the mud on the cycle that I have, and you'll be able to understand what kind of roads I've ridden on. It's very smooth and very comfortable. The suspension is buttery. It works well on bumpier roads, and you can lock it and ride fast on smoother roads. So I have no complaints when it comes to the ride quality. The cycle also looks really good. It catches a lot of attention when you're riding. A lot of people stop you and ask about the brand or the price. The color scheme is amazing. Black and orange go very well together. The contrast on the cycle gives it a premium look, even though it is not as premium a cycle as it looks. The branding X4 looks really good. Unlike some other brands, it's not a cheap gimmicky name. It's a really good branding. It has great attachment spots. For example, you can attach a pannier, a touring pannier, and a bottle cage easily. It is not most of it is not available on a cycle of this budget. The frame also is very well made. It is the best part of the cycle. If I had to buy it just for the frame, I would, and I would build it completely from scratch with better quality components. The saddle is very comfortable. I have no issues with it. On most budget cycles, when I've had a saddle, it always felt like a hard brick, but on this one, it is a very comfortable saddle for the price. The brakes are something that I think Triad could improve upon. They make a lot of noise, and when I took it out from the box, there was a lot of chain drop. These are mechanical disc brakes that do their job, but not as great as I would have wanted them to. The shifters are amazing. I mean, the ergonomics on them are very well done. They are very comfortable to use, but I would have liked them to give a bit more feedback. The clickiness is not there. And on the front shifter, as you see, the numbers are too much crunched together, so sometimes it is difficult to identify what gear I am on. A bit of a feedback would have made it a lot more better. The tires are 700C wheels, and it has 7 gears at the end. The range is not that big. It's just 14 teeth and 28 teeth, and when it comes to the front, it is 48 and 28 teeth. So the range could have been a lot more better, which would have helped you to gain more speed, but on this it is simply not there. One major important issue that I've had is that the drivetrain gets a bit loose. It has happened with me a couple of times. This screw over here gets loose. I had to go to the shop a couple of times to get it tightened, but it has been 100 more kilometers after I got it tightened, and it has not come loose. But this issue is there. The tooling from the out of the box is not that great. I'm adding a lot more pictures for your clarity to see it easily. I don't have a good camera at hand, so I won't be able to attach better videos. I'll try my best to get a good camera for the next set of reviews. I hope you enjoyed this review, and if you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Share, like, subscribe the review, and allow me to do more reviews. I've attached the detailed review blog over there, and I hope that will help you understand the cycle better and help you with making a decision on buying the cycle. You can see right now, these are the kind of roads I've ridden it on, and the experience was amazing. Thank you.